Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I have week 11 update on the ketogenic diet, how I'm doing, how my week went, and what my plan is for this upcoming week. If you're interested in seeing how it's all going down, stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. Happy Sunday. This video is out a day later and yeah, so I'm kind of, what's going on this week? What happened? Well, so I ended up getting my cycle this week. But that I feel like didn't really mess me up too much. I did notice that I kind of felt keto flu-ish this week, and I'm definitely contributing that to taking out all those drinks and stuff that had all those added carbs. So I definitely felt the difference. I felt like the little dizziness, I felt like kind of achy. Again, it could be because I was on my period, or it could be from that, whatever. But yeah, definitely went ahead and took out all those beverages out of my diet. Thank you guys for being so great and supportive with me, and I guess I'm not the only one who's done that. But yeah, so I went ahead and took out all those little additives. I've been not counting my carbs, but paying more attention, definitely, and like mentally counting my carbs. And, you know, obviously being way more conscious of what I'm doing, because like I said, I'm trying to finish this month off super strong. We are in the last month of the year, and I just want to like go out in the blaze of glory, you know? So I went ahead and I did my measurements this week. I was very pleased. I did lose some inches. I lost a half an inch in my right thigh, a full inch in my left thigh. I lost a half an inch in my weight or my hips, and I lost nothing in my waist or my chest. So obviously, you know, everything's working out. I did go ahead and take before and after pictures. I'm going to go ahead and include everything right here so you guys can, you know, kind of see the difference. But yeah, I definitely feel like I am losing it. I am definitely slimming down. Yeah, so what are my plans for this week? To keep going, keep trucking along. I'm trying to do a couple different recipes this week. I definitely have noticed that since I have increased my workouts. I did increase to 4 days a week. I definitely need a little bit more carbs because it's not enough. I know a lot of people might kind of fight me on this, but you need the carbs for the, you know, for the energy a little bit. And I definitely get the shakes and stuff like that and feel like exhausted and like shaky. So what I've been doing is I've been doing like a piece of toast with some RX nut butter on there. Have you guys tried them? Amazing. So I have, one second. So like I said, I've been using the nut butter. So I have just the regular almond butter. I have the vanilla almond butter, you guys can see. And I have the maple almond butter, which comes like this. So yeah, they went ahead, they reached out to me and they're like, we know, you know, you're on keto, and a lot of people don't know that our nut butters are keto friendly. So they have, what I like is they come already in like these little packages, so you don't have to weigh it out, because weighing out peanut butter is the most annoying thing of life. But yeah, so they come in these little packages, and I just go ahead and throw one like in my lunchbox sometimes when I go to work, and just for like an added fat or whatever, I just kind of eat it. It's good. I like it. I'm really digging the maple almond butter, and the vanilla one is good, but maple is definitely my favorite. And it has 14 grams of fat, 5 carbs, 5 net carbs, and 9 grams of protein. So, and it has total 4 grams of sugar. So you definitely can tell it's, like, it says 1 egg, 18 almonds, a half a date, no BS. Like, it's like a no gimmick product, you know, where you don't have to worry about like all the stuff in there. So anyways, what I've been doing for like a pre-workout snack is I've been taking one of these and I put it on a piece of like low carb toast, and I believe that's seven carbs for one piece of toast with this, so making it 12. You don't have to do the whole thing. Sometimes I'll just have half of it on my toast and then have the other half when I get done working out, and it's really filling for me. I've really been enjoying it. And yeah, so if you guys see these at the store, really keto friendly, and like I said, they're really great for the travel, especially like going to work, or like I said, I just kind of, because you can just rip the tab, oops, and I just kind of eat it. I would eat just plain peanut butter anyways, so I like it. Yeah, so if you guys see them at the store, pick them up. Awesome. But yeah, so I've been doing that as a pre-workout snack. It definitely has been helping me sustain my workouts. I'm still doing my pre-workout. I absolutely love my pre-workout. It's always linked in my Amazon store. It is the Amino Energy, and it does have 2 carbs per 2 scoops, but I don't care. It doesn't make me shake. It doesn't make me feel tingly. It doesn't make me feel like my hair's, like I can feel like my hair and my eyelash is growing. Like, I don't burn, but I get a really good boost of energy, and it has your essential amino acids in it, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for years, and I recommend it to everyone, and I've tried them all. This stuff is the best. So I've been doing my workouts, keeping up on that, definitely watching my eating. This week I'm going to try to change up some recipes because I'm falling into the, I eat the same thing all the time, and now I'm getting bored, and I don't want any more like anything at this point. So tonight I'm actually making like a keto lasagna. I'm gonna film it. This is gonna be a completely like raw, like fingers crossed type thing. Hopefully it comes out good, and I will share it with you guys on Thursday. So if you guys are interested, keto lasagna, because like I want like a lasagna. So yesterday was my daughter's birthday party, and unfortunately so it's my daughter Sophia, my daughter Rebecca. Sophia will be 9, Rebecca's gonna be 5. So their birthdays are the 4th and the 9th, and my poor Sophie ended up like getting sick throughout the day, so she's not feeling good at all, my poor girl. And yeah, so like I'm just, you know, when your kids are sick, you're like in mom mode, you know. So we ended up making, like, she wanted a taco bar and Becky wanted lasagna, so I was okay with the food. I had just some of the ground beef tacos. I made them, so I knew what was in there. Let's put some cheese on there, like some sour cream. It was good. That part was a-okay. The lasagna, like, I wanted some so bad. I was just like, oh my god, like I was just starving for it. And I love me like some pasta. Like I love carbs. Carbs don't love me. So during this party, I'm like, let me get up on my phone and see. So I found a recipe on Pinterest that I'm going to attempt today. Not the zucchini pasta either, because I don't want to do that. I wanted like something that was like a pasta texture. So I got something in the works. Stay tuned. Hopefully it doesn't suck. And what else do I have to tell you? The winner was picked for last week's giveaway. Thank you guys for all subscribing. I do have another giveaway going on my channel right now. It went live yesterday, so go ahead and watch yesterday's video, the home tour, and there's a giveaway at the end, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe and get yourself some decorations for your casa. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What is my plans for this coming week? I'm gonna stay on this workout. I really want, honestly, I love working out at home, but I think I'm going to wait till the first of the year and upgrade my equipment. I need a treadmill. My treadmill has been broken and I need one. I had an elliptical, but I really don't, I work out in my basement and it's just, I'm always afraid I'm gonna bang my head off of it, you know? So I need a treadmill. So I think at the first of the year, after the holidays, chaos is settled, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get me a treadmill. Hopefully I can get one on sale, because I bought the one I have downstairs I've had for a long time and it just finally gave a shit on me. But I mean, I've worked that thing to death. So no hard feelings, but I definitely want a treadmill because I like my spin bike, but I just need something different. And I liked the fact that I can like speed walk, I can put the incline on, I could, you know, do like HIIT running and stuff like that. So that's my plan. I want to change that up. I would love to join a gym, but it gets so cold here and so dark so early that, like, to me, once it's dark out, I'm like, all right, I'm not leaving the house anymore. And sometimes it's dark here by like 4:30. So it's just, I know I won't go. I'll pay for it and I won't go. So I like to stay at my home gym. But let me know how your guys' week has went. I avoided all the treats yesterday. I was really proud of myself. And I just stayed on par. I didn't even have any wine and I bought some. So definitely I'm thinking probably Christmas Eve is going to be, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day is probably going to be like my carb up day. I'm going to try to stay pretty low until then, just because I'm just not going to care, honestly. Christmas is my favorite time of the year with my family, and I'm looking forward to just, you know, eating what I want and doing what I want. So that's probably what's going to happen. New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, I really don't do anything. I usually work those days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know how your week went. How's your December starting off? Are you guys looking forward to anything? Are you guys just like kind of nervous about the holiday foodies and the goodies and stuff? Because like I said, I don't really see any of that stuff until Christmas Eve. So I think I'm going to be good until then. But alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Stay tuned for this lasagna recipe, cook with me, coming on Thursday. I'm really hopeful that it's going to be good because I just need some good pasta in my life. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much and have a great week. Bye guys.